The Road to Round in Malaysia 2025.
Alam mo ba kapag siyang kasama, alam mo ba tunay mong halaga? Alam mo ba nandito
Actually, nung nalaman ko yun, hindi ako nakapagsalita ng mga ilang seconds, siguro mga 5 seconds. Tapos, napaisip lang ako na bakit kami yung napili. Kasi sa pagkakaalam ko, sa dami ng pinagpilian na may mga pangalan na talaga sa industriya, kami pa yung napili na mag-represent ng Philippines. So, at the same time, so excited ako and at the same time, nandun yung pressure eh. Kasi, ayun nga, i-represent mo yung Philippines eh. I'm sure na yung ibang countries na nandun, yung mga ASEAN countries, I'm sure na ready din sila. So, ayun, na-feel ko yung pressure and at the same time, excited din kasi yun nga, makapag-perform kami internationally and madadala namin yung pangalan namin, yung first one in the global stage. Kaya yun, I'm very excited and I'm very thankful to Round Festival and dahil napili nila kami.
The first time I heard the news, I was like, and they were like, gulat din. And then I was like, parang, I was worried na nung time na nalaman ko. Kasi this is gonna be the first time us, first one, na we're gonna represent the Philippines. And this time it's gonna happen in Malaysia. So I was excited, like mostly excited. Pero at the same time, a bit anxious. Kasi since yun nga yung reason. Pero at the same time, sobrang na-overpower naman ang excitement ko dahil this is gonna be first time pupunta sa Malaysia. So parang it's a win-win situation.
Lamang, well, for me, mas lamang yung excitement ko. Pero syempre hindi mawawala yung pressure. Baka siguro yung pressure dadating na rin yan kapag nag-start na kami ng like rehearsals, like yung pagmalapit na, I mean, days before the mismong event. Pero mas excited ako kasi i-represent nga namin yung yung Filipinos and the Philippines. Mas nakakatuwang ipakita sa ibang tao na ito yung ito kami, ito yung P-pop, ito yung dala-dala naming pride. So yun.
Of course, masaya. Hindi man kita hindi kasi ako expressive na tao, pero masaya ako sa loob ko. Pero at the same time, nakaka-pressure kasi hindi lang first one yung i-represent namin, but Philippine team na yung dinadala namin. So, kailangan talaga ng madugong preparation and hindi lang sa sayaw, hindi lang physical, pero syempre mental dahil hindi lang basta-basta yung kailangan mong gawin, kailangan sukat mo lahat and kailangan mare-represent natin ng maayos yung Philippines. Oo. Siyempre, palapit ng palapit. Nagkakaroon din ako ng nakaka-anxiety rin na, paano kapag nagkamali ako, ganito, ganyan, or paano kung hindi ako nakasagot or na-choke ako. Siyempre, nandun yung mga bagay na kinakatakot mo. Pero siyempre, sabi nga nila, kung handa ka at totoo ka, genuine ka talaga, lalabas siya naturally. So, ayun. Nagdadasal na maganda talaga.
Of course, masaya. Yun naman yung usual natin mararamdaman, masaya. And then, after nun, doon na lang dumating yung mga iba pang emosyon natin na kinakabahan. Pero ako, more on ako parang ano bang gagawin namin. Parang nagkakaroon na agad ako ng ano bang dapat namin gawin, ano bang dapat ko i-prepare. Nag-iisip na agad ako more than kinakabahan na the negative side. So, mas kinakabahan ako sa mga dapat kong gawin, ano dapat ko i-prepare for myself to be ready dun sa big stage na pagpa-performan natin. We all know naman na Round Festival is very big, lalo na sa ASEAN countries, di ba? Napakalaking festival nito and sobra excited din kami. Also ako, sobra excited na to perform there. Also, it's my first time in Malaysia. And yun. Actually, kahapon lang nanood ako sa YouTube ng mga Malaysia tour, ganun. Sobrang ganda, sobrang excited rin ako na makagala to see the beauty of Malaysia, yung mga tourist spots nila. Sobrang excited talaga rin ako na makita kasi well, syempre, hindi kami taga doon, hindi ako taga doon. To see the beauty, sobrang excited ako talaga.
First off, thank you po. And dream come true. To be honest, I think ito yung one of the biggest achievements ng first one so far. And sobrang excited. Nakakakaba, nakaka-worry at some point kasi parang hindi lang namin buhat yung hindi lang namin buhat yung identity ni first one. Hindi lang namin buhat yung anim na sarili namin sa Malaysia. Buhat namin yung buong bansa kasi nire-represent namin. So nakaka-pressure din siya. Pero it's a good pressure kasi actually before kami nag-debut nag-represent na rin kami sa Seoul Music Awards. Pero ano pa kami nun, hindi pa kami first one. Pa-debut pa lang kami as first one. And now, pinangarap kasi namin na after Seoul Music Awards, sana makabalik tayo dito ulit na as first one naman, kakantayin natin sarili nating kanta. And sobrang blessing na ngayon, I think it's a very timely thing na makakabalik kami. Hindi man sa Seoul Music Award, pero binigay naman ngayon sa mas malaking stage. And hindi lang namin i-represent yung pangalan na first one, pero i-represent na namin yung buong Philippines sa ASEAN Korea Round Music Festival in Malaysia. So, excited. Super excited. Halo-halo, pero grind mode na. Kasi ang daming kailangan ayusin. Like yung music, yung performance music, yung choreography, staging. Siyempre kami rin yung nagpa-plan Pinaplan namin yung buong yun. Sabay-sabay siya nangyayari. At the same time, meron kaming surprise para sa 4-1 sa mga sumusuporta sa amin. Hindi lang sa Round Festival mismo in Malaysia. Pero yun nga, may paparating tayo na na send-off event, send-off party sa Viva Cafe this May 24. And hindi lang yun basta send-off pa round in Malaysia. Meron din kaming ilalabas doon ng bago. Kung ano man yung bago na yun, get your tickets now. So yun.
Ayan, guys, supportan nyo kami. Let's go. Bounce around. Round Festival 2025. Let's get it.
Joke lang. Hi again, I'm Jason from First One, and my last word for this interview is thank you for choosing us to represent the Philippines. And ayun lang, just expect more explosive performance for this event. Tapos, I can't wait to be in Malaysia. See you!
Gusto lang namin magpasalamat sa mga 4-1 namin at patuloy na nagsusupport sa amin, and also to our fellow Filipinos. I hope na maging proud kayo sa amin. And also, thank you so much for always supporting us, First One. Let's just keep on fighting and just keep moving forward. Yeah. See you!
To 4-1 and sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa First One, maraming salamat dahil kundi dahil din sa inyo, hindi na kami magpapatuloy. Kaya samahan nyo kami sa journey namin, and pagdasal nyo yung team, and talagang pinaghahandaan namin to. So, thank you.
I'm Jay from First One, and please do support us sa papunta namin sa Malaysia. This is Round Festival, and syempre, always follow us sa lahat ng social media accounts namin. See you guys!
Hi 4-1, this is Ace from First One. Actually, nagpe-prepare na kami for Round Festival. So, itong Bound to Round vlog series na to, hindi lang to para sa amin, para sa inyo to. So that matagal na natin pinapangarap na makaabot sa bigger stage. And 4-1 man or not, I think Round Festival is bigger than any of us. It's for the Philippines. So 4-1 man or not, hopefully you can join us as we represent the Philippines on June sa Round Music Festival in Malaysia. And we're gonna be together with all the ASEAN and Korea, of course, they're gonna be there. And we're gonna raise the flags, not just as us, but all together. So itong journey ng Bound to Round vlog series na to, sama-sama tayo, enjoy nyo lang. This is our journey. Ito yung ride papunta doon. Walang walang kahit anong script. So ma-witness nyo full out kung ano kami as artists, as human being, as brothers, as your beloved first one. Sana, yun nga, dahil doon, mas makasama rin namin kayo sa May 24. That's at Viva Cafe in Araneta City. Maraming mangyayari doon. Meron kaming surprise sa inyo. Kung ano yung surprise na yun, nanggagaling na sa spoil leader ni Ma. So, huwag niyong i-miss to, guys. Get your tickets now. Andyan yan sa mga SNS accounts namin. Love you guys. This is not for us. This is for all of you guys and for ultimately the Philippines. See you. Love you.
Condolence to the show.
Si Raul.
OL at the end. But what if they want to say it's in the box? Maybe lazy way. Well, instead you can say